Yo, good morning. Hold on. Good morning. Hold on. Let me post this on Twitter, then we good to go. So, we did have some Russia news overnight. Live, bingo. Netflix beat their earnings, which is good. Let's see. Let me see if I can find the Russian news. I know Savage posted it earlier. Russian foreign minister on prospect of peace talks. Apparently, they're having some peace talks. I don't know. This whole Russia-Ukraine thing is like, it's all over the place. Anyways, how did everybody do yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. I had a nice little day yesterday. Not huge profits, but profits. Green is green. Better than, what is today? Today's Wednesday, so better than Monday. Yeah, ended red on Monday. That wasn't fun. But yeah, made it back yesterday, so I'm cooling. And then that Euro USD trade was absolutely beautiful. The target butterfly literally hit like 92%. And yeah, I didn't get my 100% fill order. So hopefully I can get that today. Currently in an AUD NZD swing trade, I actually just ended up adding to the position, down a little over $120 currently. So as you can see, we got this nice little trend line. We got a beautiful daily and weekly squeeze, so I will be looking for that squeeze to fire up. I know where my stop loss is. It's really not that huge of a stop loss. If anything, I'm willing to lose around like 350, 400 roughly. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, remember the divergence that we were talking about. The divergence is still super important. Look at the NASDAQ. Buy, buy, buy. And we saw the huge reaction yesterday off of that, what is that? Third buy signal. So the one thing that I'm noticing, actually we might have broke above it. Yes, we did. We had this little ascending triangle right here on the daily that we finally broke above. So personally, I'm bullish still. But you know, things could change, so we shall see. But let's make a watch list. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. Let me get a couple more things set up. And man, we got 100 people in here and only 27 likes. What is wrong with y'all? I'd be posting free game and only 27% of you can click that like button. Unbelievable. Anyways, good morning. Let's get this set up right here. Get that 1 hour, 4 hour daily set up. 1 hour, 4 hour. And let's see, daily. I was so pissed yesterday because if you guys were in Team Bull, I started using Bookmap. Remember that it's like level 2 on steroids. But I started using Bookmap, and I literally said, like in live voice, there's huge buyers at this level on the S&P futures. If you guys heard, or if you guys were in voice yesterday, you can vouch for me. Why is there not a chart here? There we go. But it was literally the dead bottom for the day where those big buyers were, and I had it on recording, and of course my computer did the same thing, blue screen of death, or whatever you people call it. But I got the blue screen and it corrupted the file yet again. So first off, I need to look for a new computer. So if anybody's got recommendations on a pre-built, I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, that Bookmap is crazy. Anyways, so let's see what we can find today. Let me make sure we don't have any economic news dropping here this morning. Economic news, Wednesday, 10 o'clock, existing home sales. So we do want to be careful at 10. And let me pull up the weekly watch list. Cool. I do like that NVIDIA for a possible bounce though. That looks really good. NVIDIA. And give me like 30 seconds because I got to turn the air on so my computer doesn't overheat. So 1 second. All right, I'm back. It's super annoying because the office always gets super hot because I'm running 4 monitors and it's literally like a sauna up in here. But the rest of the place, it's nice and cool. It's next week. Okay. Well, okay. We just got 2 different statements here. Actually, hold on. Look at AMD on the weekly. It's setting up for a nice little swing. Keep your eye on that. AMD not as interested as I was in Nvidia, Amazon. Yeah, I'm gonna be making bookmap videos. I'm actually gonna be partnered with them within the next couple weeks. Which is pretty dope. Amazon, I would like to look for a bounce there. Chart looks like a disaster. There we go. Amazon, look for the bounce. Tesla, they report. Is it today they report? Yeah, that's gonna be a crazy one. Very interesting price action here. Earnings are gonna be very interesting, but I don't care about Tesla today. SIBO, I missed that swing. GME. It's like we're above that 150, 152.63 would be interesting. Maybe Pepsi. Again, if you guys could make sure to click the like button, it would be greatly appreciated. 142 people up in here and only 80 likes. So remember, 150 likes. And if you're not already, make sure you guys are subscribed. It would mean the absolute world to me. We're so close to that 25K. I want it so bad. Anyways, looking at Pepsi, nice 4-hour squeeze. Still looking for a swinger. PFE. No, it's vice versa, LOL, but it doesn't matter. Huh. PFE, don't care about that yet. PayPal, that divergence ended up working out, as we can see. 2 beautiful days to the upside. Unfortunately, didn't snag a swing like I said I wanted to. Stupid me. TTD, that broke out of that descending triangle and had a beautiful move up. So maybe we can crack that pre-market high and get a nice move. TTD. And then XBI. Don't care about that. I should go to Vegas. I'm going on vacation in 2 weeks though. I'm actually going with my family. Not to Vegas, but on vacation in general. And there's a bunch of daily squeezes. What do we got? We got an Amazon daily squeeze, a Coin daily squeeze, CRWD, Delta, PayPal, QQQ, Roku, SPX, SPY, SQ, Target, and Tesla. Nice. Let's look at Apple. Looks like we're kind of flagging. Actually, we are flagging on Apple. Right here. Let's keep an eye on that. Apple. We looked at AMD, we looked at Amazon, we can look at Boeing. Set an alert all the way down here. Boom. Let's see, Baba's got a 4-hour squeeze. Kind of flagging. Maybe if it gets above pre-market highs, 106.02. Maybe. Baba's a big fat maybe. Coin has been on a complete ripper. Daily squeeze still hasn't fired. Let's see, we could look for a break above 68.06 or a bounce at 64.50. Coin. We looked at GME. We are not looking at Meta. No more Meta trades. Sorry, everybody, but not put myself through pain any longer. Let me tell you, meta brings nothing but pain. And Amazon looks pretty interesting. I'll be interested to see what happens at 256. Nice. I see. Okay. Let's see, Microsoft MU. Actually, MU probably ripped yesterday too. Nice little move, pulling back. If you looked at Nvidia, I mean, it can. I don't know if it's going to, but sure it can. We already looked at PayPal, don't care. QQQ. What we doing in the pre-market? Pulling back. Got super close to that daily 55 EMA at 298.3. Actually, oh, it hit 300 in the pre-market. Nice. What sucks is that Target swing trade hit 92% yesterday, and it depends where you entered. I know some people hit 100%. I personally did not hit a high in 92%, and unfortunately did not get my 100% fill. So hopefully we can get one more pump out of that, go for 100%, and then we'll see what we can do from there. But with QQQ, that 4-hour 8 EMA is going to be important. We crack below there, we're probably going to drop more. So keep that on your radar. And then let's see, Raku. Don't really care about. Still looking for the breakout there. SPY, let's see how we're doing here. He says no, but I would personally. Again, everybody's got a different way of trading, but I would say yes. Let's see, SPY. We did break that trend line. Daily squeeze, 55 EMA, 395. Actually, we might have hit it. Did we hit it? Super close. Super close. And then let's see, SQ. Yeah, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 102 likes, 170 people up in here. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. This SQ looks interesting for a butterfly, to be honest with you. If we can get a pullback to that trend line, maybe I'll look to snag one. 70, 75, and then 80 is what I would like. So I'll look at that later for a possible swing. Target, just need a little bit more of a push. I pulled up Yahoo Finance this morning. It said it was like 154.80, but it's not showing that on here. So we already looked at Tesla. UAL has had some nice moves. Fill that gap. Don't care about that. And then finally Exxon. We got a super small list today. Let's see, Exxon, don't care about. And then SE. SE is something I'm keeping very close on my radar, or keeping a very close eye on. So if we're looking at SE, we have this beautiful daily trend line right here, plus the squeeze. Came up to it yesterday, denied it. So I'm going to keep an alert here. At or above. Boom. So if we break there, looking for a swing. Maybe a butterfly. Anyways, small list today. Nvidia, Amazon, GME, TTD, Apple, Coin, Microsoft. And then real quick, in case you guys didn't know, I did end up dropping my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis. So if you guys have not picked yourself up a copy, I don't know what's wrong with you. Talk about my entire trading strategy in here, 483 pages. Hard copy is coming soon. And if you guys did purchase the ebook and you are not in the book Discord, shoot me a DM on Twitter or shoot me a DM on Instagram and just let me know you bought it and send a picture of your receipt. Because yeah, I'll invite you to the book Discord where we're constantly communicating in there. If you got any questions, you can feel free to type them in there. I always answer them. But let's narrow this list. So Nvidia, start here. I have a 173.3 resistance, which is right there. No, I say it at the end of the video every time. At the end of the live stream. Boom. And 168.58. Actually, hold on. Might get a little cup and handle here. What it's kind of looking like. All right, so I like the Nvidia. Like, go to your settings and then click Snap Drawings 2 and then click OHLC. Amazon. I like Amazon. Might be a bounce kind of day. Amazon, GME. Get above that 153. Daily squeeze has fired. Splits coming up. Let's see. Is there liquidity? In the 155s, the spread's kind of wide. 160s have better liquidity. So if we're gonna trade GME, 160 call TTD. I don't care about it. Take that off. Let me tell you, having a kitten is like having a child. That damn cat every single morning at 4 a.m. starts rubbing her face against mine and like biting on my ear to wake me up. Every morning, 4 a.m. I have to throw her on the floor and then she just gets right back up and starts nibbling on my ear again. A weird cat, I'll tell you that. I actually really like this apple. Apple, love. Coin. We'll look at HG here in a minute. Lots of liquidity in the 70 calls on coin. Clearing those moving averages. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm lucky if my cat does that. It messes with my sleep. I ain't having a kid for like 6 more years. 6 or 7. I ain't ready. Nowhere close to ready. Let's see. I'm Eastern time. So 4 a.m. I wake up at 5. 4 a.m. for me is a whole hour before I even want to wake up. So with that Microsoft, I'm just going to set an alert at that trend line. If it drops down, I'm going to be looking for possible calls. Have a nice little ascending triangle on the 4 hour, tons of resistance here. More than likely we'll come back, test it before going back up. Break below for puts. So Nvidia, I like the bounce. How are the futures doing? And Q, we're kind of holding that level. Cool. We are going to be pretty overextended too. So that's something we have to be careful about. Let's see, 170. Actually, this is going to be a level. 176.98 or 96, my bad. Cool. So we have a bounce at 168.58 or break above pre-market highs. A nice little scalper in there. So I like Nvidia, I like Amazon. Yeah, I can't even imagine having a little Brandon running around right now. Cannot imagine. All right, so Amazon bounce 117.42. They're on Thinkorswim. I don't know if they're on any other platforms. Post-market high. $121.3 is our weekly pivot. 121.98, bingo. Any SMAs blocking us? We got the 55 EMA at 118.12. 118.12. Which we're actually sitting on right now. So that 55 EMA is currently acting as support. We do have that divergence on Amazon on the daily time frame. Let's see, we have a level right there. Cool. We have our daily pivot right there. 116.98. That is not the level. 117.06. I have a video on how to set up the person's pivots. Just gotta find it. I show you how to do it in the video. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Got 203 people up in here now. Want to be at 150 likes. That is when I drop the watch list. So make sure to run up the likes. If you guys are not, make sure you're subscribed. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Anyways. Let's see. Clear that. I believe we did. Oh no, that's one that we hit yesterday. Okay. Yesterday's high right there. Distance there. How much we got? Nope. Cool. So with GME, we got the pre-market high here. Break above, could go back to yesterday's high and that trend line. We have a pivot all the way up here today, and then where's the actual trend line at? Actually, we're kind of sitting at that trend line in the pre-market, or actually we are sitting at that trend line in the pre-market. So if we crack, should be pretty interesting. Is it the right one though? I'm not interested in Tesla. I'll wait for the ER, then I'll look at it. GME, Apple. Really like that flag on Apple. Really, really like it. So we'll keep that on our radar. And then coin. Coin had to be a little scalper. I'd really like to see a bounce on coin. That'd be nasty. So we could scalp it. 68.5 is going to be a huge level. That's going to be your monthly pivot. So make that orange. Bounce is at 64.52. Bounce. Oh, they change the ticker. Nice. Let me see if Dumpster's watching it. Hold on. I'm still holding shares from like way back when we originally bought it, BRPM. Let's see what my average price was. Hold on. 1207. I'm up 7.63%. And it says, because I bought it on Robinhood, this stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. Really? Who would have thought? Anyways. All right, let's get these levels out. Again, make sure you guys clicking that like button, subscribe button. Y'all mean the absolute world to me. Let's hit 25K by the end of this week. Maybe I'll give away some money. Actually, hold up. Maybe we get a deeper retracement today on Nvidia. All right, so I'll look for that bounce. What's funny about TJX, I was looking for a swing on it. I may have missed my opportunity. I'm gonna keep a close eye on it. Anyways, Nvidia, looking for a possible bounce at 168.58 for calls. We'll look to take it back to yesterday's high, which is 171.3. We also got to know about the close, 169.91. Take it back to yesterday's close, yesterday's high, pre-market high. Then we can look for a bigger move. We could also see a bigger retracement today, so 166.39, 164.88 is gonna have me interested. Let me see what we did to the upside here. Pretty much smacked that 127 yesterday. Cool. All right. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. All right, there's Nvidia. Guess what you get? Bing bong. There you go. Every subscriber we get today, y'all get hit with the bing bong. And my cat messed up my stream deck. What the heck? Why is it doing this? Whatever. Way to go, my cat. Anyways, so we'll watch that Nvidia bounce. Again, I could be completely wrong with what's gonna happen today. I'm still bullish due to that divergence, so we'll see what happens. Let's see, is there any SMAs? No, we talked about that. So Amazon 30-minute squeeze, possible bounce 117.42. Amazon 30-minute squeeze, possible bounce at 117.42. Price target equal 118.95, 119.23. Oh wait, 118.09, my bad. 118.95, 119.23, 120.63, 121.3. Cool. There's Amazon. What else we got on this list? GME. There we go. We hit 150 likes. Thank you for the subscribe. Bing bong. Get a bing bong. GME's a maybe. This one's a little sus. Low-key, I hate trading GME just because the spreads suck. Oh. Bing bong. There you go. Got 3 new subscribers today. Love it, love it. Anyways, It really depends on the liquidity. So I'm gonna put GME on the list, but it really depends, one, on the spreads, and two, the liquidity. So GME looking for a break of 152.5 for calls. Price target equal, let's see, 156.84, 160, 162.15, using the 160 call. Cool, there's GME. And as always, if you guys got any questions, just feel free, oh my god, feel free to type them in the chat. Clearly I cannot talk. Let's see, GME, Apple. I'm feeling that 25K. I want it by this Saturday. What am I at right now? Hold on. Let's see what I am at. YouTube Studio. 24,646. So 354 more to hit that 25K mark. So ball is in your court, guys. Y'all got to do it. I believe in you. But I don't know. This Apple bull flag is really interesting. Let's see what my price targets are. Hold on. 154.03 isn't too bad. It's actually where the 100 SMA is as well. 154.03. We broke that inverse head and shoulders. Actually, no, hold up. We're at the inverse head and shoulders in the pre-market. So if we look at the daily, shoulder one, head, we're literally at that neckline. So this, we either break it or we deny it and we come back down somewhere around here or here for Apple. So let's see what happens. That 152.11 is going to be the important spot for Apple. So I don't have an exact setup that I'm going to be looking for in Apple just yet. I really want to see, do we crack that neckline or not? So Apple at a critical area. We need to clear 152.11 for the inverse head and shoulders to invalidate. If we deny, Apple could go back down to 137.35. Currently in 4-hour bull flag, so I will be watching that. To be honest with you, I don't have a favorite stock to swing trade. I have a favorite setup to swing trade, but yeah, there's not one specific stock that I'm like, yeah, I love swing trading this. It's just whatever I see. Alrighty, so let's see, Apple. And then the final one was coin. Really interested in a bounce on coin. Now, if it clears 68.5, that's going to be huge. We could get, what is that, a 50-cent scalp, but would really be interested in a bounce. That weekly pivot point, 70.36, give or take. I can't see the actual level. Yeah, 70.36. Not too interested, to be honest. We got Nvidia on the list, but I don't like AMD. I don't like MU. Yesterday was the day to play the chips. Coin, very interested in a bounce. Actually, I mean, we banged out that wheat trade. We killed it. They hit 100%. Didn't they go more than 100%? Can't remember. It seems like it was forever ago, but it really wasn't. Let's see. My opinion, SOXL, hold on. SOXL is that's the long version, right? Or no, is that the bearish one? Hold on. SOXS is the bearish one. I don't know. Maybe. I would look for a pullback first. Again, I could be completely wrong. But yeah, just my opinion. And it's a 3x ETF, so gotta be a little careful. Very interested in a bounce. Go back to coin. Add 64.52. A break above pre-market highs equal higher risk. Price target equal 68.5. Once we clear there, that's when we have room to 70.36. And plus more. Really a bunch of free space from there. I don't see anything till 74.11. Actually, no, I lied. 70.74. $74.11. Beautiful. Cool. That's the watch list today. Question, do you guys like the longer in-depth descriptions of what I'm watching for the day? Like, I know a lot of people just put above X for calls or below X for puts. Do you guys like that I say very interested in a bounce above pre-market highs, squeeze, bull flags, etc., etc.? Or do you guys want me to dumb it down? Because I personally enjoy doing the longer ones. I think it's more informative. All right, perfect. So, real quick, before I drop the watch list in the chat, again, in case you guys didn't know and you want to learn more about my trading strategy, my new ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially released. So if you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, there's a link right there. All right, perfect. Glad to see you guys love it. But let's get this watch list to you guys. As always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. I could be completely wrong for the day, so don't take anything in here like, what's the word I'm looking for? Use your own due diligence. We'll just say that. Use your own due diligence, because options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So yeah, everything I talk about in here is based on my opinion. It's what I like for the day. So I am not responsible for any lost funds. But yeah, as always, just wait for A+ setups. If there's no A+ setups, then you just simply don't take a trade. Would you be able to post stop loss? I don't post. I can't post a stop loss until we're actually in a trade, because we're trading options. I have no idea where the options are going to be sitting at. So whenever yes, always reading the tape. Whenever we get into the trade, I specifically tell you guys where my stop loss is all the time. But until then, I ain't got a clue. But yeah, my tape reading skills, they're about to go to a whole new level, because I started using Bookmap. I don't care about updating bookmap. Come on now. There we go. This bookmap stuff is crazy. Y'all will get videos on it soon, I promise. I love it though. Super simple to use too. Like there's tons of sellers right here, and then there's tons of sellers all the way up here. As far as support, actually we have a lot of buying and selling right there, as you guys saw with the bright red. But as support, I mean, we really don't have much until 39.29 on the futures, and then 39.25. I love this thing. But like I said, I will have videos on it in the future. But we're getting close to 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna hop off for the day. As always, do your own proper due diligence, use proper risk management, no trades, no setups. Yes, I have tons of videos on A+ setups that I like to trade. But yeah, let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll be live in like 15 minutes. If you guys are not in the Discord, then hold on, let me drop the link real quick. Come on, copy. Boom. So if you guys want to join the Discord, here's the link. Other than that, everybody have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time.